Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 420D M Sport Coupe presented in Alpine White. So alongside that very nice exterior colour, we've also added a full Your Next Car and Performance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is a brand new set of 20-inch M Performance style alloy wheels. So as you can see there, they also suit the Alpine White very nicely. At the front of the car, you'll see it's a 2016 66 reg. Also comes with the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. Moving on to show you the side of the car, we've got the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and YNC Mperformance decals. Alongside that, the car also comes with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows. And I shall now move through and show you the interior, which again is a very nice contrasting coral red Dakota leather. So as you can see there, once again all in superb condition. Also has the electric lumbar and heated seat options for both passengers and drivers. We've got a 6-speed manual 4 Series for you in this video, as you can see there, and I shall touch upon the interior details in a bit more depth shortly. Rear seats do compose of a Isofix 2x2 seat arrangement, that central folding armrest and the darkened M Sport headlining. And then again in this 4 Series, those rear seats are in superb condition and look like they've barely even been sat in. Moving round to the rear seat, at the rear of the car, again showing you off those brand new alloys. And at the back of the car, we've once again added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching rear diffuser. And if you've not yet seen the boot of a 4 Series Coupe, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with how large that area is. Alongside the fact you get split folding seats to really enhance that area. Moving round towards the driver's side of the car now, again, the Alpine White really is a standout colour and works very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at Your Next Car, alongside the eye-catching alloy wheels. So I'll give you one last look at those before I do of course head on inside the car to give you a further look around at some of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting of course with the professional wide navigation and media screen, and I'll also start the car up. Currently on screen we've got the multimedia list, which comprises of DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. We shall move over towards the navigation. The navigation system on the BMWs is by far one of the most user-friendly systems within the range, and that also uses real-time traffic updates to keep you on the fastest route possible. Down at the communication screen, keeping you connected for both telephone and Bluetooth audio. And we shall go across in just 1 second and check out the vehicle service information and service requirements. Down here you'll see the dual climate control, and along with those switches for these lovely heated seats. On the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, you've got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, and this 4 Series has covered just shy of 43,000 miles, as you can see there. And as you can see, the next service is not due for 14,000 miles. And hopefully you've enjoyed this walk around video, and I've been able to show you that it's a fantastically clean and tidy example of a very nice colour matched 4 Series with the white and red. For further information, remember that into the description you'll see a link to our website, alongside should you want to give us a call. There is also our contact details as well. Once again, thank you very much, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Do of course take care. Thank you and goodbye.